Welcome to NordTube. The information that I have for you, it is what happened in Gofa zone in southern Ethiopia. The number of the people who lost their life reached 500 people. This is very unfortunate. This event, it is triggered by heavy rainfall where the mud slide to the people in the tiny local of Kencho Shasha Gosdi that killed at least 400 to 500 people. UN Humanitarian Agency and the Office for the Coordination of Humanitarian, citing local authorities, say that around more than 400 to 500 people have been killed by the mudslide, which was triggered by the heavy rainfall in the southern Ethiopia. Gambella government donated around 3 million birr to the people of Gofa community. It is already the deadliest landslide on record in the Horn of Africa nation, with rescue continuing, the grim search for the body. People are trying to dig for the body, and they are still discovering the body under the mud. As more rain is expected, we should not be surprised to see more of these kind of emergencies hitting Ethiopia. The local community are saying that in that context, you need to sound the alarm on the level of funding available to respond. International support to humanitarian agencies working in Ethiopia